Hey, you guys.
What? Dude, I'm listening to the latest podcast of Andromeda and fans. Can't you see? You just have to ruin the moment, huh? Hang on a freaking minute. Dude, why are you making that face? Man, don't tell me that you're gonna...
Yup. Your guess is good as mine. Oh, shit.
Call an ambulance! No! 911! No! Whatever that can save us!
I'm ready to go kaboom at any time now.
Oh yeah? You think you're gonna go supernova and destroy us? Just like that? Bring it on, big guy! And at every orbital roller coaster you send us in, and you're not even going to leave us in peace